Can I eat pasta on keto? Understanding the keto diet. The ketogenic keto diet is a low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet. It aims to induce a metabolic state called ketosis, where the body burns fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates and keto. Carbohydrates are significantly restricted on the keto diet. Carbs can also cause significant fluctuations in blood sugar levels, impacting overall health. Pasta and its carb content. Traditional pasta is rich in carbohydrates. High carb content makes it unsuitable for the keto diet. Keto-friendly alternatives require significant modifications. Effects of pasta on blood sugar. Consuming pasta can lead to significant spikes in blood sugar levels. The keto diet emphasizes low carbohydrate intake to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Keto-friendly pasta alternatives: zucchini noodles, shirataki noodles, spaghetti squash. Nutritional benefits of alternative pastas: fiber, vitamins and minerals, keto-friendly. Cooking with alternative pastas. Flavorful techniques incorporate low-carb sauces like pesto or marinara made with fresh tomatoes. Experiment with textures by lightly sautéing or roasting the pasta alternatives. Recipes for keto pasta dishes: creamy avocado zucchini noodles. Instructions: spiralize zucchini, blend avocado with lemon juice and garlic, mix with zucchini noodles. Garlic butter shirataki noodles. Instructions: rinse shirataki noodles, sauté garlic in butter, add noodles and parsley, season with salt and pepper. Common myths about pasta on keto. All pasta is high in carbs, but there are low-carb alternatives suitable for the keto diet. Some think pasta can't fit into a keto lifestyle, yet options like zucchini noodles and shirataki are available. Balancing pasta in a keto diet. Balance pasta intake with other keto-friendly foods to maintain ketosis. Impact on ketosis. The impact of pasta on ketosis can vary significantly from person to person. Generally, consuming pasta can disrupt ketosis due to its high carbohydrate content. Monitoring blood sugar levels. Monitoring blood sugar levels is essential when incorporating pasta into a keto diet. Regular checks can prevent spikes that may affect dietary goals. Personalizing your keto journey. Monitor your body's reaction to different types of pasta to find what works best for you. Feedback from keto practitioners. Keto practitioners share varied experiences with pasta consumption. Some find low-carb pasta alternatives beneficial, while others prefer to avoid pasta entirely. Scientific research on keto and pasta. Researchers investigate how pasta consumption affects ketosis and overall metabolic health. Expert opinions, diverse perspectives, low-carb alternatives, nutritional balance. Potential risks and considerations: maintaining ketosis, managing carbohydrate intake, nutritional balance. Maintaining a balanced diet. It is essential to find a balance between keto guidelines and nutritional diversity for optimal health. Long-term health implications. The keto diet, characterized by high fat and low carbohydrate intake, can lead to significant weight loss, but may also pose long-term health risks if not monitored carefully. Regular pasta consumption, often high in carbohydrates, can contribute to weight gain and increased blood sugar levels if not balanced with physical activity and other dietary considerations. Both dietary approaches require ongoing assessment to ensure nutritional adequacy and prevent potential health issues. Final thoughts on pasta and keto. Moderation is key when incorporating pasta into a keto diet. Explore alternative pasta options such as spiralized vegetables or shirataki noodles. Personalize dietary strategies to align with individual health goals and lifestyle preferences.